back in the 40s, 50s, 60s, and early 70s or so, Southern Pacific ran unit trains, what became known as unit trains of produce out of California over Donner Pass. This is kind of an effort using Athearn mechanical reefers to recreate that, and we got 3 tunnel motors on the head end. We got an SD45T-2 and 2 SD40T-2s. The tunnel motors were developed between Southern Pacific and Electromotive Division to combat the problem of overheating and stalling by SD45s in the tunnels and snow sheds over Donner and also up here towards Oregon. As mentioned earlier, the lead unit is an SD45T-2. All 3 of these are Athearn units. The main difference between the SD40-2 and the SD45T-2 is the area right here in the radiator section. This is the 45-2 T-2 on the left here. Has 3 doors for the 3 fans. You go next door here to the SD40T-2 and there's only 2 fans. Also, the SD45T-2 is slightly longer than the 40T-2. Rio Grande was the other purchaser of the 40T-2. They did not own any of the 45Ts. These are Athearn blue boxes. The 8297 and the 8491 are both Athearn blue boxes with parts added to them.